Imagine waking up every day knowing you have the freedom to choose how you spend your time, whether that's traveling the world, pursuing your passions, or simply enjoying life without financial stress. This is the essence of financial independence. While it may seem like a distant dream, achieving financial independence and retiring early, commonly known as FIRE, is possible with a strategic plan and disciplined execution. In this guide, we'll break down the steps to build wealth, secure your financial future, and achieve the ultimate goal of financial independence. Step 1. Define financial independence for yourself. Financial independence means different things to different people. For some, it's about having enough passive income to cover basic living expenses. For others, it's the freedom to never work again. Set your financial independence number. Calculate the amount of money you need to achieve financial independence. A common formula is to multiply your annual living expenses by 25. This assumes a 4% withdrawal rate from your investments in retirement. Example: if your annual expenses are $40,000, your target is $1,000. Determine your desired lifestyle. Think about the lifestyle you want in retirement. Will you travel extensively, maintain a minimalist lifestyle, or live luxuriously? Your goals will shape your financial plan. Step 2. Take control of your finances. Building wealth starts with understanding and managing your current financial situation. Track your income and expenses. Use tools like Mint or YNAB to monitor your cash flow. Identify unnecessary expenses and redirect that money towards savings and investments. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt with high interest rates, like credit card debt, can severely hinder your progress. Focus on paying it off as quickly as possible using strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. Create a budget. Develop a budget that prioritizes savings and investments. Follow the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Step 3. Maximize your income. The more you earn, the faster you can reach financial independence. Advance in your career. Invest in skills, certifications, or education that can lead to promotions or higher-paying opportunities. Start a side hustle. Explore opportunities like freelancing, tutoring, or creating an online business. The additional income can accelerate your savings and investment goals. Monetize your passions. Turn hobbies like photography, writing, or crafting into income-generating ventures. Step 4. Build a robust savings plan. The cornerstone of financial independence is saving aggressively. Adopt a high savings rate. Aim to save 30 to 50% of your income. The higher your savings rate, the faster you'll reach your financial goals. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to ensure consistency. Cut unnecessary expenses. Embrace frugal living by reducing discretionary spending, finding affordable alternatives, and negotiating recurring bills. Step 5. Invest wisely for long-term growth. Saving alone isn't enough. You need to make your money work for you. Leverage index funds and ETFs. Invest in low-cost index funds and ETFs to gain exposure to the stock market with minimal risk and fees. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize contributions to accounts like a 401k, IRA, or HSA. These accounts offer tax benefits that accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative assets to reduce risk. Explore real estate opportunities. Real estate can provide steady cash flow and long-term appreciation. Consider rental properties, REITs, or crowdfunding platforms. Step 6. Develop multiple streams of income. Financial independence becomes more attainable when you're not reliant on a single income source. Create passive income streams. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or royalties that generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Build an online business. Platforms like YouTube, blogging, or e-commerce can create scalable income sources. Consider peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to earn interest by lending money to individuals or small businesses. Step 7. Protect and grow your wealth. Once you've started accumulating wealth, it's essential to safeguard it. Get proper insurance. Protect your assets with health, life, and property insurance. Establish an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a high-yield savings account for unexpected situations. Regularly rebalance your portfolio. Monitor your investments to ensure they align with your goals and risk tolerance. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to increase your spending. Keep your expenses consistent to boost your savings rate. Step 8. Stay committed and educated. Achieving financial independence is a long-term journey that requires dedication. Educate yourself on personal finance. Read books, follow financial blogs, and listen to podcasts to deepen your knowledge. Join financial independence communities. Engage with online forums or local meetups to stay motivated and learn from others on the same path. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge progress along the way, whether it's reaching your first $10,000 or paying off debt. Financial independence is not just about having money. It's about having options and the freedom to live life on your own terms. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances, build lasting wealth, and achieve the dream of retiring early. Remember, every small decision you make today, whether it's saving a few extra dollars, learning about investments, or starting a side hustle, brings you closer to your goal. Start now, stay consistent, and watch as your efforts compound into financial freedom.